CPR in an adult person.
Hello. Do you hear me? Hello. Open your eyes, please. Help. Help. Is anybody here? What happened? I need your help. There is an unconscious person. Please wait a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please call 999 and tell that we are in VTech Hotel and there is an unconscious man. He is not breathing. And then bring me the AED. AED, correct? Yes. Hello. Is it emergency ambulance service? We are in the VTech Hotel in Krakow. There is a man about 30 years old. He is unconscious and not breathing. Okay, thank you. They should be in 10 minutes. I have the device. Is this it? Yes? Yes. Do you know how to use it? I have no idea. Now you perform the CPR, please. Do you see how I'm doing it? Do I have to do it like you do? Yes, exactly. 1, 2, 3. Tear open package and remove pads. Peel one pad from plastic liner. Place pads on bare chest. Plug the pads next to a blinking light. Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm. Stay away, please. Please do not touch the victim. Do not touch patient. Shock advised. Charging. Do not touch patient. Stay away, please. Nobody can touch the victim. Stand clear. Push flashing button to deliver shock. Defibrillation. Shock delivered. It is now safe to touch the patient. Start CPR.